A PC case protects components, ensures airflow, organizes hardware, and enhances system cooling efficiency. Today's video is about top 5 best computer PC case that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair Computer PC Case. This PC case is designed for users who want both premium aesthetics and flexible performance. The single-piece curved glass front and side panel offers a clean, uninterrupted view of the internal components, making any build look more visually striking and modern. Cooling and airflow are well thought out with 3 pre-installed reverse rotor RGB fans that pull in fresh air while displaying vibrant lighting effects. This ensures strong airflow without blocking the visual appeal of the fans. The cascading industrial design adds a unique, premium look, while also supporting efficient ventilation through strategically placed openings. One of the strongest features is the frame modular system, which allows users to customize and upgrade different parts of the case, including GPU mounting options and internal layouts, making it highly future-proof. Additionally, the InfiniRail fan system provides flexible fan positioning on the top panel, allowing optimized cooling setup based on user needs. Overall, it's a stylish, customizable, and airflow-focused case for high-end builds. Now our second product is Lian Computer PC Case. This PC case offers a strong combination of cooling performance, modern design, and builder-friendly features. It comes with 4 pre-installed 120mm PWM ARGB fans that provide efficient airflow while maintaining relatively low noise levels. The daisy-chain connectivity also makes installation and cable management much easier, especially for first-time builders. A standout feature is the slanted front PSU shroud with a display platform, allowing users to showcase collectibles or figurines while keeping the interior clean and organized. The integrated 26 LED ARGB strip further enhances the aesthetics, offering full synchronization with motherboard software for a unified lighting setup. Build convenience is also well considered, with toolless side panel removal for quick access during upgrades or maintenance. It supports back-connect ATX and micro ATX motherboards, along with large GPUs up to 420mm and CPU coolers up to 178mm, making it suitable for high-performance builds. Overall, it's a stylish, functional, and well-ventilated case designed for both performance and presentation. Our third product is NZXT Computer PC Case. This PC case combines modern aesthetics with practical airflow and build efficiency. The wraparound glass panels with seamless edges provide a clear, unobstructed view of internal components, making RGB hardware and key parts stand out beautifully. Its compact dual-chamber layout is a smart design choice, improving thermal performance while keeping cables and components neatly separated for a clean, uncluttered look. Cooling is well handled right out of the box with 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans, positioned to deliver effective airflow while adding vibrant lighting to the build. Airflow is further optimized through perforated top and side panels, which help maintain good ventilation while also reducing dust buildup. The integrated cable management system is another strong point, featuring wide routing channels and straps that make assembly easier and help maintain a tidy interior. Overall, this case offers a great balance of cooling, aesthetics, and user-friendly design, making it ideal for clean and efficient PC builds. Now number 4, Lian Computer PC Case. This PC case offers a strong combination of cooling efficiency, compact design, and modern aesthetics. It comes with 5 pre-installed 120mm reverse blade fans, strategically positioned to deliver excellent airflow and stable thermal performance right out of the box. A standout feature is the 10 degrees slanted bottom design, which improves direct cold air intake and enhances GPU cooling, making it especially beneficial for high-performance gaming builds. Despite its compact footprint, the case intelligently supports full-sized ATX power supplies thanks to the protruded mesh side panel. The pillar-less tempered glass front and side panels provide a clean, uninterrupted view of the internal components, highlighting RGB setups beautifully. It supports ATX, MATX, and mini ATX motherboards, with added optimization for back-connect ATX boards for cleaner cable routing. The included horizontal and vertical GPU anti-sag brackets ensure stability for heavy graphics cards, while dedicated cable brackets help maintain a neat and organized interior. Overall, it's a well-balanced case for performance-focused builders. And our last choice is Hyxn Computer PC Case. This PC case delivers a premium balance of aesthetics, airflow, and practical build features. The fully transparent high-hardness tempered glass panels beautifully showcase internal components, making RGB lighting and hardware details stand out clearly. Its dual-chamber design effectively separates the power supply and storage from the main components, improving airflow and making cable management much cleaner and more organized. Cooling support is strong, with 3 included ARGB fans, 2 reverse 120mm and 1 forward 120mm, and compatibility for up to 360mm radiators, ensuring efficient thermal performance for high-end builds. IT supports ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, along with GPUs up to 400mm and PSUs up to 200mm, offering solid hardware flexibility. Storage options include 1 HDD and 2 SSD mounts, and it also supports back-mounted motherboards for cleaner layouts. The AB partition design with built-in cable anchor points simplifies wiring, while the front I/O panel adds modern connectivity with Type-C 3.2, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and audio ports. Overall, it's a stylish and functional enclosure for serious builders. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.